This is how you make a Tinkercad king. The king is gonna be like this. First, go to Create. Click on 3D Design. And then change the name to King. How to spell it is K-I-N-G. And then click on Enter. So, you get a cylinder first. Scale it down like this, and then you get another one and place it on top, and then you change this to 15 and change this to 15. And then centralize it. Then get it. Click on this one. Make it 50. So you get another one of these. Place it on the top. And then you get one of these boxes. You're gonna scale it down like this, and then highlight it, and then click on duplicate and repeat, and then drag this, and then another one is gonna come out. Surprising. So you're supposed to spin this. When it says 90, stop. Bring this inside so you can't see it anymore. And then pop it out of the top. Same for this one. It's going to stick out a little bit. And then you move it up. And then stick it inside. Go ahead and get this one and move it up a little bit. Same for this one. And then highlight this again. Click on this align tool with this gray bar which has filled in and this bar which is not filled in and the line. So click on it and click this middle and don't click here anytime and click here to have it perfectly aligned. And then comes another part. Get a cylinder and then scale it down. Scale it 25 by 25. 25. So you place it here and then you move it up so it goes here. And then align it once again, because that part, if it was aligned in the first place, it will tip over and it won't be good. And then next, highlight them once again. No. I don't know why the line tool messes with some of the shapes. So you should move this up and also move this up here. And then highlight it once again and click on this union group button and then go to colors and click on this gray and then go back and click on mixed. And there you have it, your Tinkercad King. You want me to show you it from all different directions? This is your top. No, this is your left. This is your front. This is your right. This is your back. This is your left. And this is from your top, left again, and this is from the bottom. Let's get it back like this. And there you have it, your Tinkercad can.